Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Escape. This is Rob Rena, and today we're answering a request made by PJ to see how to get to the lights on the inside of the tailgate. Not necessarily the ones out here, but these ones. We're going to take a look at how to get the light off if you're going to replace the housing or just to change the bulb. For this video, aside from the housing and light bulb pieces that you're going to need, to get the panels off, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver or preferred a plastic set of trim tools like shown here. I can link an Amazon below in the description. You're going to need a Phillips or Torx driver depending on what screws you have in your handle, and then an 8mm deep socket to get the nut off of the stud that holds the light housing. Your first step is going to be removing this housing right here of the handle. Then looking into the handle holes, our next step is going to be removing these two screws. Next, we're going to remove the trim on the inside of the hatch. We're going to start with this piece, and then go to the corners, and then the main panel. I'm going to get my plastic pry tool. Pry these guys up. Now that we have our main hatch panel off, follow the strut up, and you're going to notice there's an 8mm stud here on either side. That holds the taillight to the hatch. Use your 8mm socket and remove the nut. Now we're back here looking at our inner hatch light housing. If you push and wiggle the stud that we just took the nut off of, you'll see that it's loose. There's a plastic pop pin here and one here. So I like to push on the back of the stud to get it moved forward, and then I pop it free, and now it comes off. PJ had mentioned that their housing was cracked and there was moisture in there. So if you need to replace the housing, this light is a typical twist lock light, and this now becomes a loose part. You can buy a replacement, put it on here, toss your old one. And then in terms of the light bulb, if you need to replace this, that just comes out of there like that. It's just a simple fitting. So, reassemble in reverse order. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. PJ, I hope this was helpful. If anyone else has any questions or suggestions or comments, please post below. And thanks again for watching How to Escape. Our Amazon links are below. Anything you buy from Amazon through our links is of no extra cost to you, but it does support our channel. So I appreciate that. And check out our Facebook, Instagram, and blog posts. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching How to Escape.